I'm going to share with you our winning video script templates that helped our clients generate tens of thousands of views. Stay tuned. Good morning, builders. I'm Helena, and I'm the co-founder and CEO at VideoDeck. For the past year, I've created videos just like this one for tons of Saas companies. We've recorded hundreds of explainer videos, product demos, TikTok videos, and even video courses. What we found to be the biggest roadblock for our clients producing more high-quality videos was writing the scripts. So, to help our clients and awesome builders like yourselves, we've created a constantly updating library of video scripts. Yep, that's right. In this library, you can find templates for software demo videos, explainer videos, how-to videos, product hunt videos just like this one, and many more. We didn't stop there though. We also created a huge spreadsheet of hundreds of hook ideas, ways to say hello in a video, CTAs, outros, and lots more. The scripts and database of ideas are found in a Google Drive and are completely free to download and use. You're welcome. If these templates inspire you to produce more videos for your brand, but you don't have the capacity or time to make them, we can help you. We're a better way to outsource video production. We help software companies produce videos just like this one at scale. So if you want to find out more, you can visit us at videodeck.co to find all the information you're looking for, or even book a quick call with us. Thank you guys so much for all of your support, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing all the creative ways you guys use these video script templates. Sending you all good vibes. See you in the next one.